Hey guys, it's me, the Lego Brickman, back with another 2013 Lego Star Wars Summer Sets review, and this time it's the ATTE set number 75019 and age 9 to 13 pieces 794 pieces and cost about 90 euros or dollars and have 5 new or exclusive minifigures and one cool vehicle. So let's start with the minifigures, and the first one we get is Coleman Tribord, I think his name is, I don't know sure, but yeah, he has a green lightsaber and back printed and some on his legs, and he's pretty cool. He's a new Jedi. And I have an old one of him, and here I want to show you. Yeah. The next one is Mace Windu, and he has his purple lightsaber and a little printed on his legs, and there's no back printed on him. Yeah. The next one is a yellow clone trooper commander, and he looked like the old clone. The only new thing with him is the yellow, and he has the same face. Yeah. So the next one we get is a commander droid, and has some yellow on his head and a little on his chest, and yeah, got a blaster and no back shield. Yeah. And the next one is a normal Geonosis battle droid, and with a blaster and no back shield. Yeah. So that's the minifigures. So let's get to the set. So as you can see, this is stickers and here and here. This is printed on the brick, so there's a few stickers in the set. Yeah, but let's start in here. Here you can put a clone. I will just show you. 1 second. Like this, and put it in here. Yeah. The cannon here can spin 360 degrees around, and it has flicker fire missiles, as you can see. Yeah, and I will show you. Yeah. So the next one, you can open like the cannon here like this, and you got some more flicker fire missiles. And it's not much down here, I just want to show. Yeah, and that's about that. Yeah, the back here you can open too. Just do like this, and it's open. And you can take a letter down here, just like that, and yeah, then you can get up in here, and there's some stickers too in here going around. You can see right there, and there's a box in here, and you get some bombs down there. I'll just 1 second. Sure. Down here you get 3 of this bomb. Yeah. So, and I'm just gonna put it back in 1 minute. Yeah, and the cannons here spins around like this, and you just can pull the letter in here, and yeah, the same in in here the Canon spins like, oops, yeah. Many have asked about the dropship is working to this, and it do not work. So if you have the dropship, you cannot put it on to this set. So that's pretty bad with the set, I think. But you can lift it like this, and the legs moves, and here, yeah, and yeah, I want to show you under the set. Yeah, here you can see the ladder, and just gonna put it down again, and yeah, we're just gonna take the clone out here, and you can put him up in the cannon here, and then you can shoot. The cannon can only rise like this, that high, and go down like this. So if you get attacked by it, druid, it just can shoot a bang. And yeah, I think that's about that, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you the box. Here we have, yeah, it's a big box, as you can see. Yeah, you can see all the minifigures, and I'm just gonna move it around here, and you can see all the features that I just show you guys, that you can lift it here and take that up, and yeah, here you see in war and the positions it can stand in, and yeah. And you can just see how big the box is compared with the set. Just like this. Yeah, so it's pretty big. So that's about that, guys. Please subscribe, likes, and comment. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.